Some lawyers are very quick to encourage clients to commence proceedings because it's so lucrative for lawyers. Now, we certainly don't do that because if you want to maintain a long-term relationship with a client, you have to have their long-term interests at heart. And often litigation is not consistent with their long-term interests.
Litigation is probably a bad idea when the costs outweigh the benefits. And I'm not just talking about financial costs, I'm talking about emotional costs, time, loss of opportunity.
And the one that often gets overlooked is the emotional toll that it can take. Litigation is incredibly stressful because you have so much riding on the outcome. It can affect your relationships, it can affect your sleeping pattern, it can affect your mood.
Often there'll be times when a client will be very upset about something and feel very strongly about it and want to take action. It's a bad time to litigate if there's no commercial outcome, when someone wants to litigate on the basis of a principle or for an emotional purpose.
We find that disputes often occur purely because of lack of communication, and I found that pattern through all my practice. A small miscommunication can fester and become bigger and bigger, and by the time it has absolutely eroded the relationship, it's too late to go back and fix it, and that's where we get to a dispute stage. Most clients will, if they're receiving the right advice, resolve the matter. It's in no one's benefit to launch into a huge dispute. It's not about lawyers trying to earn $1 at the end of the day. It's us doing the best thing we can for the client. But resolving disputes are very important.
I mean, one thing that I'll often say to clients when they are contemplating going to court is, what could you do with the time and money that you're going to be investing in this court case? So a really easy example to give is taking the family on a holiday to the other side of the world, spending 3 months in Europe. Would you rather do that with this $50,000? And the other thing is, in terms of business, would you rather spend the 500 hours that you'll spend on this case and the sleepless nights worrying about it? You may be disappointed with a breach of contract and a sense that you've lost an opportunity with some aspect of your business because of what's in dispute. But what if you inject the energy that you might otherwise spend in a court proceeding on growing a new aspect to your business or using your energy for something creative and positive?
And that's still a great outcome, rather than someone else making a decision for you in a court who doesn't know your business, who doesn't know how hard you've worked and what you've done to get the business there.